or girl?
Oh! You hit!
Come on.
Come on!
A confetti. Oh, why? Why?
Mark, oh, come on, check it out.
Chicken.
Oh,
Oh, yes.
I hope it's answer.
Look in the box.
what is it? Where?
Oh, guys! The box. Box.
Box.
Pull it. The box. Come on, together.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Oh.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Funny. My brother.
Or it's a girl dress. It's a girl. It's a sister.
Keep going.
Or it's a boy. I don't understand.
What? It happens. Look, you and Kelly are twins.
It's very funny. It's very funny.
Oh, look.
It's.
No, look. Trying to find out.
I can paint.
Ken,
Honey,
can do it.
come on.
You can do it.
Oh, honey.
Just throw some sparkles on the canvas.
Oh, beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
Does it help? Look.
Oh my gosh.
Some magic.
Oh my gosh.
But for now, I totally confused.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Answer on the blocks. Kids block.
Yes.
Are you kidding?
Yeah. Let's go searching. Come on, guys. Come on. Keep moving.
Keep moving. I found. It's B. It's a boy. Honey.
G.
One more.
Okay.
Come on. Thinking. Where is it? They have all the line.
It's a
Yeah,
word.
come on.
It's a word.
Yeah.
I know, honey. It's a B. Boy.
No.
I want a boy. Go. Go. Oh, go back.
Bingo.
Back.
It's worth it. Turn around. I promise. It's the last scene. I promise.
What we have to do?
No, Nelly, put on the short. Brian, can you help me?
What else?
And.
Oh, it's for me.
It's for you, yes.
Okay.
Oh.
Don't worry, honey.
Hey.
I'm here.
Here is the paint.
Oh, guys.
Dip your hands and a color.
Oh.
Be the answer. Put them on your belly.
I feel a kick. I feel.
What does it say? Another clue.
Oh my God. I got it. It's a boy and a girl.
Sweet.
Thank you.
Congratulations, man. You got the jackpot, bud.
It's the jackpot of my life. Honey.